Hey folks, I'm back with another video, and as you can see, I have a very big teddy bear, and I'm 24-year-old guy. I obviously haven't bought it, so I will tell you how to actually win games at an arcade. So this is the result of my arcade, like winning of my arcade. I know it's a huge teddy bear. I know girls gonna love it, but whatever the case, I'll tell you how to actually win at an arcade, and you can also get. So I actually noticed something that I'm changed a strategy to how to win because I played earlier also. So I thought I'll share with you guys also. So the game basically was very simple. So there was a bottle and a ring that you are supposed to. matlab, The ring is supposed to be landing on the bottleneck. So like assume this is the bottle and this is the ring and this is supposed to land up here from obviously a distance. So I had like I think 25 rings were there, and there was a glass bottle which had like a very tiny neck, and it was the glass bottles were very. It felt like it would bounce off my ring. So several of attempts happened like that. That when I even though it went inside, it bounced up. So that was also the bottles that were causing that. So I'll tell you the main thing. Whenever we throw a ring, whenever we throw a ring towards the bottle, our position is like this, like a disc. We try to throw it in the disc. So as you can see in this video have been recorded. So I was also throwing like this the ring, but what you are actually supposed to do. So with time I realized that this is not going to reach the goal. So you are supposed to throw it like this. Basically, you have to throw it in a projectile motion and not a linear motion. So when you throw it in a projectile motion and you don't have to hold the ring like that, you have to hold the ring in your arm and you have to throw it in such a way that it covers at least the distance of the bottle. So that increases the probability of getting the ring on the bottleneck. So that's how you do it. So as you can see, when I changed my strategy, just after seconds, it got into the bottleneck and I actually won this. So that is all I wanted to share. So if you are also looking to give this to someone or whatever, so you can also do that. And I think you can definitely try once. It's I usually in arcades these type of shots are not very expensive because the chances of winning are very low. But since I won and I thought I had a change of strategy, so I'll share with you guys. So thank you for watching my video. I hope you like the video. I hope you win at the next arcade in a teddy bear ring toss game. And please like the video if you like the video, and please subscribe if you haven't already. Thank you for watching my video. Thank you.